Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. We need to find a way to stop people messing up our spreadsheet. On this sheet, we want to hide all of our formulas. We want to prevent users from inserting columns. And we also want to protect all of our headings. We need to unlock all the cells in the worksheet. Click this little triangle to select the entire worksheet. Right-click on any cell and choose Format Cells. On the Protection tab, we need to unlock everything. We need to choose specific cells that we want to lock. Right-click to Format Cells, and this time we want to lock these cells. If we click around, nothing has actually happened yet. We're still able to edit those cells and look at the formulas. We need to switch on Worksheet Protection. On the Review tab, let's protect Sheet. So guys, this is where all the magic happens. We need to take back control. Having a password is optional, but down here, we can decide what our users are allowed to do. We want to untick locked cells, and we'll remove the ability to insert and delete columns. So that's all set up now. Let's give it a test. We can insert a new row to add a new record. But if we right-click on a column, the option to insert is grayed out. If we click on a protected cell, nothing happens, and the formulas are hidden. Now, if we're in this cell down here and use the arrow keys or the tab key, it will simply skip over any cell that is protected. We can unprotect the sheet to return it to normal. And if you prefer, you can set a password so that only those in the know can unlock the sheet. If you want to learn about protecting the entire workbook, such as preventing users from creating new worksheets, then you need to click the video link that's coming up.